Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how to install and configure the offline two-factor authentication step by step. So in our lab environment, we are using Google Authenticator to secure the machine. So I am going to machine to start the practical by using CentOS 8. So friend, these are the steps. Step 1, we need to install the EPL release by using DNF or yum install EPL release. So second step, to install the Google Authenticator. Third step, configure the offline two-factor authentication by using Google Authenticator. And fourth step, to download and configure Google Authenticator mobile app in your mobile. So during configuration, you can use the barcode or key which was generated to during configuration. Once you add the account, you should start getting the OTP like that 150849. So fifth option, configure SSH two-factor authentication. To enable SSH two-factor authentication in the PAM module by using vi etc pam.d SSD Google Authenticator PAM. And to enable the challenge response authentication and verify the SSH two-factor authentication by login. So friend, in our lab environment, we are using Google Authenticator to secure the machine. So I'm going to start the practical by using CentOS 8. So friend, now we are start to install the EPL repository by using DNF install EPL-release command. So friend, second command to install the Google Authenticator. So friend, configure the Google Authenticator by using this command. Press enter. Yes. So he is generating barcode and as well as secret key. So friend, we have installed the Google Authenticator in our mobile. So now start. So here is two option, scan the QR code or enter your setup key. So I am using enter the setup key by using key while the generating of the installation. So I am using the account name is Nginx LB. Key is 6 J Z O K A 5 Y H Y E H T F B R 77 C B 3 P 5 N U H E E. Type of key time based add. So friend, here is showing OTP. I am using 517275. For installation, press Y, again Y, Y, Y. So friend, first we configure the Google Authenticator SO file in the PAM module vi etc pam.d under the SSH D insert, insert auth required pam underscore google underscore authenticator dot so file, save wq. So enable the challenge response authentication under the etc sshd underscore compile. So I just uncomment and this line to comment colon wq, save and restart the SSH service. System ctl restart sshd. Restart the services, and to verify that SSH by using two-factor authentication. So again, we lock in the machine. So friend, our IP address is 172.17.73.41. User root, verification code. So friend, verification code is 794358. Password. So finally, we are able to log in by using Google Authentication with system password. Thank you for watching this video. Please share. If you doubt, just comment me. Thank you. Thank you for watching.